told you yesterday we were going to start our exercises, our live feed. And the first exercise is going to be walk up the wall. I'm sure all of your oncologists demoed that. That's about the only one they know. They're busy doing other things. Anyway, you can go anywhere for a wall, inside, outside, your favorite room inside, your garage door. You might like the color or texture of a wall, your choice. I chose an aspen tree because my yard has quite a few and it's beautiful weather. I wanted to be with nature. So you choose your wall. Ready? I want you to face forward, pull in your tummy, relax your shoulders, roll those back too, and you're going to start on one side. You're going to walk up your wall, tree, whatever you choose. Go as high as you can until you feel a stretch in the axillary area, bicep, tricep, and your pectoral muscle. Keep that palm flat. Extend your other foot, opposite foot, out, because you're going to turn your body on an angle that gives you more of a stretch. Inhale and exhale. Feel the muscles elongate. If you feel any pain, any ache, bring the hand further down. And then you're going to walk down, bring the feet forward again. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, nice, and exhale. We're going to do it one more time on that side. Let's see if you can go a little further up. So let's walk up the wall, tree, whatever you choose to walk up with your fingers. Hold it there. Feel the stretch in the axillary, bicep, tricep, and the pec. And turn the foot out and look to the side and see if you feel more of a stretch than you did the first time. Inhale and exhale. And walk it down. Shake out that arm. We have the other side to do yet. This is the side where I had my surgery, and I know it's going to be a little harder for me. Some of you had surgery on both sides, but one side's always a little different. So let's start, feet forward, roll the shoulders back, shake out those hands. Ready? And we're going to walk up the wall or tree. And yes, it's tighter for me on this side, but I've been practicing for quite a few years. You know that. Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch, axillary, pecs, bicep, and tricep. Turn the bottom foot out and turn your head. Inhale. You'll feel more of a stretch in the arm. And exhale. Walk it down. Only one more walk, and we're done with this exercise. Ready? Feet forward. Roll the shoulders back. If your neck is a little stiff, you can do some neck rolls. It's always good to stretch wherever you're feeling tight. Inhale, exhale, and walk up your wall. Hold it. You feel you can't go any further. Inhale, exhale, and now you're going to bring that bottom foot out, and you're going to turn to the opposite side. Inhale and exhale. Come back, foot back, and walk that hand down. You're going to inhale and exhale and bring those arms all the way up. Interlace your fingers. If you can, do as much as you can do. And you're going to stretch. For those of you who are a little more flexible and have recovered a little further, you can bring your arms back and you'll continue to stretch. Come down. Don't forget, whatever you can do, do. Don't push yourself. Each day, a little at a time, you'll get better